Once upon a time, dinosaurs roamed the Earth. But did you know that one theory suggests they were wiped out by a colossal sneeze? Scientists discovered that a massive asteroid impact 66 million years ago might have released a cloud of dust and sulfur, blocking sunlight and causing a global winter. But here's the quirky part. This event might have triggered volcanic eruptions, which in turn released gases that could have caused a sneeze effect, altering the climate even more drastically. Imagine a sneeze changing the world. Like, comment, and subscribe for more mind-blowing stories.